We build cars for a living, custom cars, and we also have our detailing product line.
We call it open modified or outlaw modified. We run at Stafford, Thompson, Waterford Speed Bowl, Loudoun, New Hampshire, Monadnock, and Seacon. These are all swag detailer products on here to get it all cleaned up and show ready today. Awesome. Smooth finish. Glenn's got some great products over there. You know, stop by Swag Motors in New Britain or go look online. I'm sure Glenn has it there too. Pick some products up, give them a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all.
So we're doing a detail on this car right in the parking lot. No hoses, no water hookups. We're just going to use buckets, our products, and our microfibers, right? So right now he's pre-treating the tires and the rims, getting rid of some excess dirt. And here's the product that he's using. And you can see, we color code everything. Well, we try and put the right microfiber towels or applicators with the proper product, and we color code the labels. That way somebody grabs it off the shelf, they already know what they need to use. So on this side here, he's got our quick wash, which is a cap full of product to a gallon of water in a bucket, and now he can take and wash that one panel. So we're out in the middle of a parking lot at a car show, and we can clean this entire car from panel to bucket back to panel. And within that detailing product line, we have some schools that come to us, and we help teach their kids, you know, some future job skills.
The wonderful swag for 8 years has allowed our students to come and work on cars, and now they're doing the product lines. We have students that are learning production line, and we're very grateful for them. It teaches our students work ethic, showing up, being accountable, and the guys are just awesome with them.
All right, I'm here with Christian. Christian races these quarter midgets. Tell us a little bit about that, Christian.
This is a bull rider. The most thing I like about racing these is when I win the races, because I get the big trophy.
And how many races have you won?
7.
7 races. Yeah. Are you gonna win some more races?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Don, we love doing car shows. We like showing off the cars we build and show our product line and sell, but we're also doing this to make sure that we can keep having the kids come and work with us and be able to train them for their future as well. So it's a little bit about what we do.